Hello students. In today's lecture of Matplotlib, I am going to discuss about designing of bar chart using pyplot in Python. First of all, we have to import the necessary files matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. This one is the basic requirement. Suppose one variable is there, let us say bar1, because I am going to discuss regarding the designing of bar chart. Plt dot figure. I am going to store plt dot figure in bar1. Suppose I have to draw a bar chart between classes, for example BA, BCA, BCom or any class 10th, class plus 2, and I have to design the strength with the help of bar chart. Then what to do? First of all, classes, let us say 10th class, then plus 2, 9th class, 7th class or plus 1. Suppose these are the classes, or in increasing order we can write. Suppose I am writing the classes like this: 7th, 8th, 7th class. Suppose I am writing like this: 7th class, then 8th class, then 9th class, then 10th class, and then plus 1 and plus 2. Suppose these are the classes, and I have to design the bar chart with the strength of the students. Strength is equal to that in 7th class 45 students are there, then 34 in 8th class, and in 9th class suppose 55 students are there, and in 10th class suppose 67 students are there, in plus 1 suppose 80 students are there, and in plus 2 suppose 60 students are there. Suppose this one is the data. Suppose I have to design this one. Okay, for that I have to set first of all axis. On bar I have to set axis dot add underscore axis. This one is basically the limit of our designing part, 0.75 and 0.75. Suppose this one is the limit of our axis. After designing the limit, I have to design bar chart by using the values. First is classes on x-axis and strength towards y-axis, and then plt dot show. Let's execute the program. You can see one bar chart. Class 7 is there, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 1 and plus 2. These are the values: 45, then 34, and 55, 67, 80 and 60. Suppose I have to change the color, then what should I do? Color is equal to, suppose I am writing R here, then execute the program. You can change the color. This one is change of color, and suppose I have to change thickness, then what I have to do, width is equal to, suppose I am writing 0.3. I can change the thickness also. Look at this one, you can change the thickness. If I am writing 0.45, you can change accordingly the thickness of the graph. And by changing these values, 0.75, 0.75, suppose I am writing 0.5 here, then you can reduce the length of the block. You can reduce the length of the block. This one is a reduction of length of the block. And if I am writing 0.5, I can increase the thickness. Look at this one, you can increase the thickness of the bar chart. And one more thing you can do, you can set titles also. Axis dot set underscore title. You can give the title bar chart, then execute. You can see at the top of the bar chart is written. Then axis dot set, you can set X label and Y label. Suppose I am writing classes, and on Y label, Y set underscore Y label, suppose I am writing strength, then execute the program. You can see the titles here, X title, X label or Y label, then one title is there. I am going to repeat the content. First one is import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, then the declaration of bar1 or a declaration of one variable. Then whatever the content is required by you, you can write that particular content, then you can design on the axis by axis set by you. Then you can set the title, X label and Y label. Hope you understand the content. In the next video, I will discuss about how to import CSV files inside Matplotlib, and after that use of that particular CSV file inside the designing of bar chart. Thanks for watching my video.